Welcome to How Logical. In this video, I am going to show you how can you hide your pixels on your Yubo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Yubo app. Firstly, you just have to open your Yubo application, and after opening the Yubo, go to your profile by tapping to this profile icon into the top right corner. Step 2. Select the pixel collection and hide the pixel that you want to hide. Now after coming to your profile, you just simply have to click into this pixel collection down here, and after going there, you can see all the pixel that you have. You just simply have to click into this pen option into the top right corner, and after clicking there, this hide button will appear. Just simply click into this hide button. By following these very easy steps, you can also hide any of the pixel that you have in your Yubo collection. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in another one.